This video is about strings in Matlab. A string is what computer scientists call a short bit of text. In Matlab, as in many other programming languages, a string is stored as an array of characters. Each individual character is one element in the array. By character, I mean any letter, uppercase or lowercase, any single digit from a number, or really any of the things that you find on a normal keyboard, including the space character. A string in Matlab is a 1D row array of characters. Let's look at some examples. To create a string variable is just like creating any other kind of variable. You choose a name and then use the equal sign. To indicate that something is a string, you include it within single quotation marks, or what you might call apostrophes. So this will create a variable called A and store within it a string ASF123. We can see that this variable, like any other variable, exists inside the workspace. Let's create another one. You can see here I'm including uppercase and lowercase characters and spaces as well as symbols, the period symbol. In order to get a single element of the array, which is to say a single character, it's just like pulling a single element out of any other array. B parentheses 3 means the third element of this array, which is the character E. 1, 2, 3. If you want to get more than one character, then you can include an array of values within the parentheses. So the 8th through 14th characters is the word college. There are some useful string functions. Let me show you some examples. First, I'm going to create a variable capital A, storing within it the string John, and dough within B. If I want to combine these, then I can combine them like I combine any two other arrays into a larger array. I include the first array, and then maybe I want a space character, and then the second array. I included the space character just so that there was a space between the first and last name here. If you want to convert something to uppercase, there is a function called upper, which converts all letters to their uppercase equivalent. And as you might imagine, there are other functions like lower, which will convert things to lowercase characters. If you want to compare whether two strings are the same, then you can use this function string compare, strcmp. And maybe you just want to know, regardless of how this string was entered, whether it was the name John Doe, then I would compare the name after having been converted to lowercase to the name printed all in lowercase. And now we can see that 1, which refers to true, the name is, once converted to lowercase, John Doe. If you want to see whether the last name is Doe, then you could do something like string compare. Let's just get the last 3 characters of this name. So we're going to use end minus 2, so take the last character and subtract 2 all the way till the end, get those characters out of name, convert them to lowercase, and compare that to Doe. And again, we get a value of true because the last 3 characters are DOE.